Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Let's high. Let's high. Let's make it higher. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Let's make it more higher. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. More. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Buisit na favorite song yan. Maybe this time you'll be loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magical moment. Oh, baby, this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won't end. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at that tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Nah, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my snuggie, flicking to MTV. So they can teach me how to doggy. 'Cause in my casa, I'm freaking man. I'm the freaking man. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. Oh, and I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at that tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh, oh, nothing at all. Oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. I think that's all. Today I don't feel like doing anything higher. And I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at that tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Alright, Zywin, that's your favorite song, Lazy Song. And it suits me well. I'm so lazy right now. Hindi ko alam yung kanta nito, Museo ni Eliza Maturan, pero wala, di jive na lang tayo. Ilang oras na ako andito, uwi na nga ang tropa ko. Sino ba naman kasi mag-aakala sa larawan ay matutulala? Sa likod ng tanaw, di na may tumatawag sa'kin. Oh my gosh. Di ko na malaya, palapit na pala ang hagdan. Di na maiwasan pagmasdan ng iyong larawan. Kahit di mo na malaya, ikaw lang ang gustong tingnan. Na di ko man sabi, kahit na di maaari, pwede ba kung manatili, ikaw lang ang gustong pagmasdan. Fairness, maganda yung kanta mo. Sorry, hindi ko talaga siya alam. Hey. Di ko rin to alam. Jeb lang. In a crowded room, happy when I'm not with you. Saw me caught you by surprise. Teardrop falling from your eyes. I run away. When I run away. Hanip na mga kantahan nyo ngayon ah. I wanna stay for another. Your tears for another day. Ariana Grande in The Weeknd. Your tears for another day. Under a precious moon, distance, cause I know that you don't know like it is. Oh my god. Help it, I put the future out. I'll run away. When I run away. Cause I wanna stay for another. Realize that it's not too late. Someone better. May hugot naman pala yung may favorite dito. Someone better. Yes, save your tears for another. Good message. I like it. Did you like her in the morning, right before sleep left your eyes? Did you bother to draw the curtains? And if you did the light burn too bright? Did you laugh over cold cups of coffee that you hate but still drunk anyway? Did you get past the walls? Did you see through them all? And if you did, do you still hope to someday? I know it'd be easier if I just didn't ask. I know. But it'd also be easier if she wasn't your last. Sakit, grabe. Para sa lahat ng girls out there that until now, they can't, let go of their insecurities. They overthink. They keep comparing themselves from the previous relationship of their partner right now. Oh my gosh, this is very hurtful. Please, let yourself free and give your partner the benefit, no. You give them your full trust. Still, it depends on the situation. If they let you feel that you are loved, then feel it. Okay? Let go of those privileges.
Go!
Finally, I'm here. I can jump now. And 3, 2, hintay ako, hiningatan ko eh. 1 and go! Woo! Very basic. Blonde no ng Genta, pero yan dahil nagsimula na rin naman ng pag-usbong ng tourist dito, ng tourism na yan, magiging kilala din to. Grabe, sarap ilubog ng cellphone, no? Fishy tayo dito. There. Yan, let's go inside. Oh, it's beautiful. Feels like I am in Palawan. To hindi pa naman ako nakapunta doon. Uy, dami isda. Oh, it's beautiful. Perfect.
Dito yung mga magjowa, pag gusto mag-isa.
Oh, ang ganda. Kuya, this is a perfect spot.
Nagka-picture ka na hindi, wait lang. Dito sa gitna.
Ayun, yung picture. Saan ako maganda?
Gitna mo na. Yan.
This perfect na?
Chest out.
Okay. Ano? The sun? Hindi ako kita?
Hindi naman. Wala ka na iba pang angle.
Bitin. Unggoy. Kita ko?
Sige lang. Naka-video ka naman eh. Make the most.
Hello. Perfect here.
Buka ka pa. Sige.
Ay. Screenshot na lang.
Tingin ka sa taas. Yan. Wait lang ha. Hindi, tama yung kamay. Dalawang kamay. Sa kabila. Kabilang tingin sa taas. Kabilang taas. Yan. Hindi, yan. Okay. Tira. Nadala ako ng alon. Tingin ka dito. First. Talon. Ay, hindi pa pwede. Taas pa. Kaya mo pa. Ingat ka lang ha. Masyado matatalas dyan. Matulis. Yung sangpa. Yan. Forward. Doon ka naman tingin sa kabila. Inhale. Lean ka forward. Doon. Lean forward doon. Yung ano katawan. Yan. Pa ganyan. Tapos straight body. Hindi, straight up, pati pa up. Normal na tayo. Yan, tumingin doon. Doon ka tumingin, pati kamay mo. Yan. Tama na, baba kamay. Baba lang kamay, yan. Yan. Side view. Doon. Side view, pati katawan. Konti pa. Yan. Tapos baba lang kamay. Relax. Yan. Ano na, baba mo lang yung paa mo. Normal na, ano lang tayo, side view din. Chillax lang. Yan. Okay na.
Naghahanap kayo ng taman.
O, hindi ba mapupunang memory mo? Puro pictures to, tsaka video.
Okay lang, 10 gig na.
Akala mo lang 10 gig lang. 10 gig pa. Hindi na, no need na ako. No need.
Ay, wala kayo sa ganda.
Ha? Kaya nga, no need na. O, kahit sa baba na lang ako, sa baba na lang.
Picture ako lang kayo dyan.
Hindi! Gababa ka na.
Maganda rin yung shot eh.
Ha?
Nasa baba kayo, nasa taas ako.
Taas mo yung kamay mo, dalawang kamay. Yan, tas medyo pa ka nakatingin ka sa akin. Ay, wala. Yan. Buti na lang, black ang suit mo.
Ayan pa. Wala din ba ako pala? Alam mo natin. Nakapila kami.
And we're going to get back na.
Kuya, ayun, may daan doon sa baba. Excuse me, wait lang po. Ito na yung picture. Aray! I'm alive. Hey! Hi! Hi, sorry! I'm sorry, naririnig ko. I just wanna see you dance in slow motion. We can take